This is a standard room at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We have 2 queen beds here. And in between them, a nightstand with your in-room phone. A couple of outlets and USB outlets. And switches for your lights here. And then just some cubby space for stuff and a single nightstand drawer. I want to turn over to the entrance now. So here's the door. Nice little evacuation route map right here, and shows exactly where your room is on here too. This is a corner room. So there are 2 windows in here, which does make the room feel quite a bit bigger. If you want a corner room, you can request it. You're not guaranteed to get it, but you can request it. And if you're doing online check-in, the way you want to go about getting a corner room is to view your room details, and then you can go in and edit them, and you can put requests in, and you can select corner room. We've got a table and 2 chairs here, some info on the parks, and then the enhanced cleaning information showing you everything that they did in here to ensure that it is as clean as they can get it to be for you. Ice bucket and cups. There's some outlets behind this as well, just hidden away a little bit. And then we have some drawers here. Oh, and look, a pillow. There's a pillow in that drawer. There's some more drawers down here and a nice spot to sit, put your shoes on and whatnot. This is a pull-out bed, like a trundle, a hideaway bed. Yeah, it's a hideaway bed. I guess, yeah, Jim, go ahead. Could you pull that down for me?
That's a Murphy bed.
Yeah, Murphy bed. You know, there's all these different bed types. I don't know what they're all called. I love the sleeping Mickey and Pluto. So the pillow I found in that drawer there, whoa, the camera just jerked. It goes to this bed here. And that's not difficult to pull down and put up. I thought it was going to be heavy the first time I stayed at this resort after the refurbishment, and that this was going to be kind of heavy, difficult to pull down and put back up, but it really is not. But it's sturdy. It's not going to fall down on its own. You gotta make it come down. Television, and the remote control is wrapped in this baggie with a sticker indicating it has been cleaned. Gosh, the camera's just kind of going all over the place. All right. Next we have Cuisinart. I believe this is Cuisinart. Are you Cuisinart? Cuisinart. Coffee, tea, all the stuff you might want for it, and cups. And then in here, if you could open that, Jim, is your refrigerator. Here is the bathroom. We have 2 sinks, some facial soap and body lotion, tissues, and of course, see, we have a problem in this bathroom. The light keeps turning off on us. I don't think we're gonna say anything, only because we're staying one night. I just don't, I don't know. Maybe we'll say something just so it doesn't happen to the next guest. Makeup mirror, and then your hair dryer is down here, along with additional toilet paper and towels. This would be basically your closet, so your hangers, extra blankets. I think there might be an extra pillow in here too. Yeah, pillows and blankets. Ironing board and iron, and your safe. And just over here, we have recycling and the trash bin. Nice full-length mirror on the door here, which leads into the rest of the bathroom. So we've got our toilet, towels and such, and then a tub shower. And this has the H2O products like the other resorts in larger containers, but they do clean and sanitize these bottles after each guest. And forgive me guys if the camera jerks a lot and stuff. I'm doing the best I can. I have a new setup, a new camera, a new stabilizing wand, and I'm just getting to know it. So I forgot to mention the sliding door thing here. Can you hit that, Jimmy? Privacy. And it looks nice. Okay, and I don't want to forget to show you guys this. So this is just a little spot to hang like your jackets or a purse or umbrella. That's what I kind of use it for. And there's a little shelf above it. Jim and I actually have this in our house. We bought one from an antique store that was taken from one of these hotel rooms. It was just kind of beat up and Disney replaced it. And it pretty much looks identical to this, except during the remodel they made a little change to this. This at our house, it has like a wire through here, and then the wire goes up. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. I feel like this one's a little darker in color, but everything else is the same about it. I'll put a clip in of what ours looks like at our house. So here's our little Caribbean Beach resort shelf in our house. You can see this one's pretty banged up from all the years of guests using it. But it looks pretty much the same, I think, from the one at the hotel now, except they did change these. So these have like a wire in them to hang it. And then of course we're missing the little, I don't know what you call them, the little covers for these, so you don't see the screw. But we use this to hold all of our magic bands. Those are mine. Those are my other family members, like my parents. Those are Jimmy's. And we have all our masks hanging up on it. And then it passes to other parks that we go to. We have this right outside the kitchen, so we can grab what we need, head out the door. So we have already done a full walkthrough of this resort in another video, and I will link that at the end of this video. So I'm not really going to walk around the resort in this video. I just wanted to show you guys this room, since it is a little bit different from our previous room. And then the Skyliner is open, and it wasn't open the last time I filmed, so I'm going to take you guys over to the Skyliners. Here is the Skyliner Hub. This is next to the Jamaica buildings, and this is also the transfer station. So it's where everybody will get off to transfer to, like if you're coming from the Riviera and you want to go to Hollywood Studios, you get off here, transfer over to the Hollywood Studios Skyline. So this is a very convenient Skyline, as you don't have to do any transferring at all if you come to this one. There is an internal shuttle bus stop over here, so if you're staying at the other end of the resort and you want to go to this Skyline station, you can take a bus over here instead of walking the whole way. But there is another station, it's the Riviera station. So if you're staying in Aruba, that is actually a closer station to where you are staying at the resort than the Caribbean Beach station. And right outside here is a Joffrey's. Very convenient. Thank you. Off we go. So we're gonna walk over to the Aruba section of the resort and show you just how close the Riviera Skyliner station is to that section of Caribbean Beach. Okay, so this is the Riviera Skyliner station, and as you can see, it is right next to Aruba at Caribbean Beach. So if you're staying in Aruba, this is actually your closest Skyliner. So this terminal will take you straight to Epcot. If you want to go to Hollywood Studios, then you will have to transfer back at the Caribbean Beach Resort Skyliner station. But if you're going to Epcot, it's a straight shot. Hi. Yep.
You're going to be right there in cabin 129.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye, truck.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot.
Okay, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what a corner room looked like at Caribbean Beach, and also where the two Skyline stations are. If you want to see a full video on all of the Caribbean Beach Resort, the pool, and everything like that, I will have a link at the very end of this video for you to click on. I took that one.
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista.
Anyway, there's another video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.